I don't know. This is crazy. Crazy town. It's hailing. And I'm soaked. Oh my god! It's like totally hailing. Like that's ridiculous hail. Like that hurts. Like it probably could kill us. It was so coming down so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. It went down. That's all hail. It's coming down hard. Like, ow! It's got hit in the eye. Oh my god.
It's like overrated.
Look at me. Holy crap. It's ridiculous. We're inside now, but it hurts. It's still hurting us.
Look at the puddle of water.
I know.
I just went in a hailstorm.
I was pretty much like a
I'm
jail
going to
type
post
thing.
status. I'm going to take a picture. Went in a hailstorm.
Okay, let's go take a browse outside. Oh my god, it's slush now. Oh god.
Oh,
Holy
look at the sun now.
I know.
Beautiful.
That's all at our door. Like,
Oh my god,
holy.
look
It hurts my feet.
at the slush man.
Ow! It hurts your feet, like, well bad.
Oh my god, it's freaking hail. It's like we're just